as you are working around with Mural, over time you may have a lot of murals and some of them might be more important than the other. So in that case, what you can do is you can add them out into favorites. So over here, you can see that there's 3 murals that I have right here. So let me just go to murals right here. And here you can see the favorite mural section is empty. And you can see recently opened murals right here on the top. So I'm going to go around right here and click on the star icon, which adds in that particular mural to the favorite area, as you can see right here. You can go around and then click the star button and they get added in onto the favorite murals area, as you can see. If I were to go around and click, what happens is that the mural will be removed out. So on the left side, you can see that there's rooms over here as well. So one room, if you, especially when you have a lot of room and you might want to have certain rooms pop out, you can go around and click on the star button right here in the beginning. And then what happens is that that particular room will be there listed out onto the top. You can click again and it'll be relisted out onto the top just like that. So that is how you can work around with favorites inside of murals to keep track of certain rooms or murals. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.